Hey guys, let's take a look at this body cam that you can clip to your shirt or to your back and record audio and video. And the video is high resolution and it's recorded into an SD card, all right? So here's the camera. You see there's indication for every single button. Here, for example, you can just press and hold so the camera turns on. There's an indication just right here. Let me just press and hold so you see here that's working. There we go. And then you can start recording, just press the button that's just right here. And you press and you see that's recording right now. So the camera is just right here. You can move to different position if you want to. So it's a high definition camera. When I press again, it stops recording. So pretty simple to operate. And here's a picture. So I press once, it takes a picture. You see the flash is there. You can also turn on the Wi-Fi. So basically connects to your cell phone so you can see everything from your cell phone because there is no LCD here to see the image, but you can see from your cell phone. It's pretty useful. You can also leave the camera somewhere. There's a thread here. You can put on a tripod or something and see from your cell phone. Also night vision. When you press here, it turns on the night vision so you can see during the night. There's LEDs here for infrared light. And here you can just record audio if you want to. So it's an audio record as well. It's recording right now and everything goes to the SD card that's just right here. There we go. There's an SD card. You put it here and start recording everything, audio and video. And here's the clip. You can just clip this into your shirt or your bag. Okay, so pretty easy to use. It comes with the cable, so you can connect this cable to the camera. There's the connection for the cable, and you can see the image on your computer. Or you can use your cell phone to play back the image from the SD card that's just right here. Okay, so very, very simple to use. It's very effective as well. And you have also the product menu with every information that you need here, okay? So that's a good product and I recommend it. You can get yours on Amazon. And if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.